We are having people saying this is a model from this corner, this is a model from this corner. What is your model? Ladies and gentlemen, let's tell Kenyans the truth. One, do we have a challenge of public debt in this country?
Yes.
We have it. We acknowledge it. And it's eating across the economy. It's making it difficult for businesses to borrow. All tax revenues, 70% are going to repaying debt. So we know that there is a challenge of debt, so we address it. Do we have a challenge of punitive taxation on the Kenyan people? Yes, we do. Businesses are suffering, are choking under taxation. So we need to find a solution to broaden the economy. We are not saying that Kenyans should not be taxed, but we need to graduate from additional taxation to new taxpayers. Are we facing challenges in the cost of production? Yes. Power costs are rendering our manufacturing uncompetitive. Why are we taxing animal feeds to the extent that chicken is cheaper from Uganda and the eggs are cheaper from Uganda? And these issues that we can address through specific policy direction. Why do we want to tax a beehive? Farmers who are setting up beehives, beekeeping in Makueni or beekeeping in Baringo, you now impose tax on beehives.